sketch what we want to cut out in the box. Welcome back to my channel. It's Mara, and for today's vlog, we are going to do something very exciting. I don't really do DIY things on my channel, or making this, or let's make this, or let's do that. But I'm gonna do one today anyway, because it's super fun and super easy. I don't know. If you're a 10-year-old like me, maybe. But if you're a 10-year-old not like me, maybe not. Well, it depends on who you are and what you like to do and when you like to do it. So, today we are making a puppet theater. I don't know what to call it. So puppet theater is right. So, right here I have a beautiful H&M box. Go shop at H&M right now because I have the greatest clothes, hot clothes, in style, on fleek. Does anyone say those words anymore, on fleek? I don't know. So, not really trendy. Anyway, so H&M box right here, and today we are going to do this in a few easy steps. First, we are going to what we want to cut out in the box. Second of all, step 2 is add what we want in the box. And step 3, obviously, is poke holes in the side of the box. Here, the holes are for curtains, and I don't know what step we're on. So the next thing to do is things in the holes of the box. Oh, I forgot. Before that, we have things together for what we want in the box. Moving on, a little bit of the exciting part. We have a curtain for the puppet theater box. Okay, that was a little creepy. And then we have to decorate, after all. And so, but we're not using the curtain. We're not using tissues, or tissue paper for the curtain, guys. Don't worry, it's much better than that. So, go away. We don't care. Sorry. Okay, so let's start out by sketching what parts we want to cut out in the box. We want some outlines here so we can like draw a little the theater faces, like happy and then sad. But I don't really know how to draw those, so I'm probably going to look it up on the internet. Or maybe I'll just write some puppet theater, probably that instead of the faces. But just to let you know, I'm cutting out an outline. So, fast motion machine, let's get it started. Okay, now that we're done with the fast motion machine and we got our sketch down, it's beautiful, isn't it? I know. It just took a lot of work and effort for me to put that through. So, I appreciate all your support. Oh, that reminds me. We need support for the box. But I'm not sure we really need that because it's not actually not that bad. So actually, no support for the box. Sorry, but it's just not gonna happen for you. Come on! Anyway, even though that was super weird of the box to do that, he's usually very polite. But he's just acting up lately. So, let's get to step number 2 or something. Oh yeah, cutting it out. This is a really hard part, and you're probably going to need some X-Acto knife or something. So get your parents' help. Parents' help is needed, okay? You're not allowed to do this unless you have parents, okay? So let's just make that clear. Okay? Get your parents right now. Luckily, I have mine right here, right now. So I'm going to go right here.
Hi.
So we'll be back when she's done. See you there. Okay, we're back. And so the truth is my brother actually ended up doing it, and he did a pretty good job, and he did it really fast. You should have seen him. It was awesome. And this is even more awesome. All right, let's just say it's amazing.
This is so amazing.
The kids are so cute these days. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I'm just giving like a full cover of what it looks like from like when you're doing the puppet shows on this side and when you're watching the puppet shows from over here. Looks pretty great. My brother did a really good job. Don't worry, I thanked him for his amazing work. Now we have to get back on schedule. We now need to poke holes in here, which I know exactly how to do, because like in the steps, I showed this thing. This did me a huge favor and poke holes for me. So I'll be back when I'm doing that, and after I've tied all of these together with this string. So 3, 2, 1,
Hey
I'm
guys.
finished. So I am really finished, like I said. But there was a change of plans. I had to use tape instead of string. And like, why didn't I just think of tape before? So I just changed it.
Change it like that.
We never heard us. We never got the memo. Sorry for not telling you guys. But, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty amazing. That's the thing I did. It's a little wobbly because it's not that stable. But nothing can really be stable. Am I right? So, now the thing is finding a curtain. That's really good. I don't want to really use a long towel, so much of paper or tissues. But if it's going like this, maybe we'll have to use tissues. There. Now there's more lights. Let's see. Nothing is red. I need something red, bold, fabulous. Something that fits the intrigue of something else. Who knows? Needs to be really, really good. Snappy, but, not too quick. That it seems like the play just lasted a second, a half a second. It should be classy, but not boring. It should be fun and vibrant, but not too bold. It should be bold, but it can't be too big. It should be big, but then it can't be too sloppy. What am I gonna do these days? Let's see what we can find around the house. So I'm looking in my bedroom right now, but there's not really anything I see unless I could use like one of my jackets, but I'm not sure how that would work. But maybe it could.
What are you doing here?
Making a video.
Huh?
Making a video. That's my brother. Anyway, so, oh yeah, I'm thinking of doing like a house tour or bedroom tour, but my bedroom's way too small, so house tour, most likely. Anyway, now I'm in the bathroom. It's a little dark because up there the lamp is off. The lamp is gone. So I can't ever actually find anything. I'm not sure. Comment down below if you guys have any fabric ideas or anything I could buy at the store that would match it. But I think for now, I have an idea. But I'll be back when I find it. Okay, so this is my idea. It's for our table, but my mom let me use it for my puppet curtain. And I'm gonna put it on right now where you guys get a bottom camera of this. So I'm wondering if I should do it long ways or like this. Probably like this. Oh no! What if the strings came off? Ah! I hate the sound of like rubbing against cardboard. So this is like a nightmare to me right now. Oh, I hate the sound so much. I'm not sure if it actually looks that good. Looking from here, I can already tell this is not very professional, but I'm actually really proud of it. Because I haven't done, like I said, don't really do DIY things. So I'm really proud of my puppet thing. And all I have to do is keep writing and adding, and it will be like perfect. So let's try a fast motion machine on this. Yeah. Okay, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. Fast motion machine in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so this is like the ultimate theater, so I'm just gonna give a tour to you guys now since it's finished finally. So this basically, so right here at the top it says Leah's Theater. That's how I know how to spell it. I just sound out theatre. And there's a little heart right here, and my name's in cursive, big letters, exclamation points, stars. We're just so happy to be here in Leah's Theater. And then I just have some red hearts on the side that I was drawing. I have 2 curtains so that like I can open it up on both sides, like beep and beep. And then on the inside it looks like this, a little bland, but that's okay. Here, I'll pull this down a little bit more. There they are. And this is a little bitty, but that's okay. So I put some tape on the side so they're sturdy, more sturdy. And so, yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, and wait, whenever we want to close up, we can just put this there. And I think I'll do another time-lapse on drawing right that, like, right now, like, starting now. Hey guys, so this is our sign, like, I put in the fast motion machine, and I could either put welcome to the show, like the show's gonna start, and it has a little, you didn't see, wait patiently, enjoy your snacks, and then it's closed. Like, it's closed for now, you have no shows, I have 3 stars, side, until later, like, closed until later. That's what I meant to say. And, of course, you can't have, like, a puppet theater without puppets, which I will do a separate video on maybe next time, or, like, next week, or tomorrow. Who knows? It could be any day now. So, yeah, that's it. So, thanks, guys, for watching. I really appreciate this. And so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell to stay tuned to more of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye!